Scorpion pose or Vrischikasana is an advanced forearm balancing yoga asana. In this pose, the practitioner requires to maintain the body in an upside down position along with back bending action. The final stance of Vrischikasana is one step deeper to Pincha Marasana or feather peacock pose. In Vrischikasana, the practitioner has to modify Pincha Marasana by bending the knees to reach the feet to the head. This back bend arches the back and the whole body is lifted off the floor, balanced on the forearms. It is a deep stretching body that provides flexibility to the spine, legs, abdomen, and neck muscles. In Sanskrit, Vrischika refers to scorpion and asana is pose. When the body is inverted to perform this pose, it is followed by bending the knees, landing the foot to the head. This resembles the scorpion with its tail arched over its back, ready to strike the sting to its prey, hence known as Vrischikasana or scorpion pose. Once you have mastered Pincha Marasana or feather peacock pose, balancing with the entire weight on elbows, forearms, and palms, exhale, gently bend your knees with pointed toes. Slowly lift your head and neck off the floor and raise as high as possible, while hugging your legs towards the midline to prevent the overcompression of the lower back. Start to draw your spine into a large curve as you bend your knees and look forward slightly to lift your head without compressing the back of your neck. In scorpion pose, your hips are pretty much over your shoulders. For your body to move into the classic C shape, your hips and pelvis will begin to drop forward to hover over the top of your head. As you remain your shoulders on top of the elbows, draw your two big toes toward each other as your knees remain hugging in. Be mindful of collapsing into a back bend and compressing your lumbar, ensuring you are emphasizing strength and stability over flexibility. With enough practice, you may eventually draw your toes toward the crown of the head. Breathe while holding the pose. To release, neutralize the spine by straightening through your legs, passing through Pincha Marasana or feather peacock pose before you lower your leg down at a time to the floor. Resting for a few moments in Balasana Child's pose can help counter the intensity of this back bend, drawing your spine into flexion. Vrischikasana can also be practiced with the support of the wall. Place your hands on the ground and the forearm down, with the hands 1 feet distance away from the wall. Upon the toes rest on the wall, walk the toes down towards the head with the support of the wall as the head is lifting up towards the toes. The whole body weight is supported by the elbows, forearm, and the hands. The toes are just lightly touching at the wall. Hugging the legs to midline to prevent the back from overarching. With enough practice, you may eventually draw your toes toward your crown of the head. Breathe while holding the pose. To release, walk the feet out from the head with the support of the wall. Exhale, lower one leg down at a time to the floor. Rest for a few moments in child's pose can help counter the intensity of this back bend, drawing your spine into flexion.